Hello, baby.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
I am Tamta.
How old are you? I'm 3.
I'm 3 years old.
Yes. Now today we get together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. What number is it?
Number 6.
Okay.
Number 7.
Yes.
Number 8.
Yes.
Number 9. Number
10.
10.
Okay. What drink is it?
Juice.
Juice.
Water.
Yes. Go.
Coffee.
Yes.
Tea. Hot. Beer. Coffee. Fire.
Yes.
Fanta. Fanta.
Yes. Right.
Wait.
Yes. Yes.
Lemon.
Yes.
Strawberry.
Yes. Coconut.
Coconut.
Okay. Thank you, baby. Bye.
Bye.